In our previous slide, we looked at the aggregate demand curve, and we could see that it slopes downward with price level P on the vertical axis and real GDP Y on the horizontal axis. Now we're going to try to figure out, why does it slope downward? Recall the real nominal principle. What matters to people is the real value of money or income, its purchasing power, and not its face value of money or income. Well, the wealth effect is one reason why it slopes downward. And that's basically the idea is the increase in spending that occurs because of the real value of money increases when price level falls. Another way to say it is, as price level falls, people feel richer and they buy more because they can afford more. That's the wealth effect. Next, we have the interest rate effect. If you have a given supply of money, the lower the price level will generally lead to lower interest rates. And with lower interest rates, consumers and firms can borrow more money more cheaply. And if they can borrow more money more cheaply, they're going to buy more goods, and then the demand for goods will increase. And that's called the interest rate effect. Again, lower price causes lower interest rates, causes more consumption. And finally, the international trade effect. As the price level falls in the USA, for example, then our goods become relatively cheaper than other goods in other foreign countries, and so foreigners decide they demand more of our domestic goods, and that causes the demand for domestic goods to increase, which again explains why the aggregate demand curve slopes downward. So we have three effects: the wealth effect, the interest rate effect, and the international trade effect.